This is my iPhone XR. I was at the parking garage the other day. I dropped it with this case here. Lo and behold, finally cracked in this corner. So this crack here, I don't know why they make iPhones that crack so easily, but if I Google it, XR. Let's see. So, whoops. Doesn't say over here. I thought I was going to the Apple webpage. Where's Apple? So to get a screen repair, it costs, here are the prices. I have an iPhone XR. It cost me $200 to replace the screen. New ones are more expensive, like the X is $280. So this is the business. Drop your phone so they can repair it for an exorbitant amount. And this is why I usually don't buy new phones, but here I am with the newer XR that's cracked.